Hi, welcome. My name is Kimberley Bell, and this is 11 Days of Mood Shifters. Do you find your mood, the way you feel every day, is at the mercy of other people? Well, over the next 11 days, I will show you ways to shift your perspective in that moment. This will allow you to have control over your mood and the way you feel. So let's begin by talking about a traffic situation that we have all experienced both sides of. So you're in your car, it's a beautiful day, you're loving life, you got your favorite tunes on. Out of nowhere, a driver cuts you off, or they start going through a stop sign without stopping. Thankfully, it was just a close call, but you're pretty angry by this person's disregard for what feels like your basic driving safety. It tends to feel personal. What I like to do when this happens to me is I like to acknowledge that this person's actions most likely are not personal. This person doesn't know you, and we honestly have no idea what could be going in this person's life. Maybe this person has been up all night at the hospital with a sick loved one. Maybe they're exhausted. Maybe this person is totally distracted by a heartbreaking and painful breakup. But one thing we do know is how it feels to be that person who just made a mistake while they were driving and annoyed someone. It's embarrassing. And it's not like any of us can stop in that moment and apologize to the driver. You could come up with a million reasons why someone makes mistakes in traffic. But one thing I do know is that whatever they're dealing with, you are not in that moment. So be thankful for it. Let them go on their way and have a good day. Be grateful that you are unharmed. It's not worth your energy to get pulled into their misery. So next time you get cut off in traffic, let it go. Broaden your perspective and help relieve yourself of that infuriating moment, because in the end, it truly benefits you.